Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate a web page content in Edge app on iPhone. So launch the Edge browser and open any other foreign language text you do not know. Say suppose I open the Spanish version of Wikipedia, so immediately you would be able to see this bar popping up where you have the option to translate. Now if I hit on the translate command, it will automatically translate it to the language that I have chosen. So right now it is translating it to Albania. So if I want, I can choose any other language from the list. Say suppose I want to translate it to English, then I can translate these Spanish page into English. So in this way I can translate the Edge app. Now if I tap on this show original, it will revert back the translation and it will show me the Spanish version of the web page. If I close and refresh this page, it will give me this pop-up where I can click on this tap on this gear icon, which will bring up this screen where I have the option to choose language and other auto translation feature. For example, if I want to choose always translate this Spanish, so I can choose this always translate, which will automatically translate the Spanish. So in this way I can customize the translation feature. Now there is another way to access the translate. What you can do is you can tap on this 3-bar option and navigate within the options, and at the second row you will be able to see the translate command, which will again bring up the same translation bar where you can choose the different language for translation. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.